Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I am really excited for this one because this basically it touches more base with the OpenAI, the GPT-3, right? Within chatbot automation, and I'm just having so much fun trying to automate all these kinds of different aspects of your own business, right? So today I want to share with you a video where I created a short video, I believe a few days ago, where I am posting tweets directly from my chatbot. And the way that I set this up is basically by going with an admin main menu inside of my chatbot, where I can just access and let the chatbot run all kinds of scenarios. So I'm still building that out, but I basically added the sending tweets already directly towards my admin menu. So if I take a look here, really short menu, I'm just going to check if a user types in admin inside my chatbot, they are actually an admin. At the moment, I'm the only one. So otherwise they will get a deny message, of course, and they will not be able to send tweets out of my name. But soon as the admin has been confirmed, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the admin a few options. In this case, as mentioned, I only have to send out a new tweet because this is something that I tested this week and works really, really well. So when going towards this flow, basically what happens is the following. So first, I get to choose the topic of the tweets, and I base these tweets a little bit about the topics that I care most about, right? So chatbot tips, business growth tips, engaging questions, and asking about coding. So those are the main four topics that I usually tweet on. And I also have the option to manually type something else if I want to. So for example, if I want to have a motivational quote, I can do so really, really easily. So what happens then is basically I'm getting a response back from OpenAI. This is a mini app already built inside of UChat, so I don't have to call the APIs of OpenAI myself. But this basically works the same. So what I do in the question, right? If I take a look here, I'm going to save the response to a certain custom field. And in this case, the custom field is response. Then I'm going with the action generate text from OpenAI. So if we take a look inside, you will see that we have a last input text. And this basically gives OpenAI the context of what it needs to create. So I say something like create a tweet with the following topic and also provide matching hashtags. And then I'm going to display the variable response because I saved the topic of the tweet inside. I'm going with a model for Text DaVinci 003 because that's the most advanced model at the moment and gives the best results. Then we can set the maximum tokens, and the maximum tokens basically determine how big of a content piece you get back from OpenAI. I set it at 500, which is more than sufficient for tweets, right? But if you want to get some content back, for example, for a short blog post, you might want to set it to 1000 or 1500, right? So that is a little bit of tweaking from your end to see what the output you will get back from these kinds of tokens. For me, I am setting it to 500, and then the response that I'm getting back, I'm going to save inside of a custom field called OpenAI response. Then soon as I have saved this, then the next step would be to display the tweet that OpenAI generated for me. So do I think if the quality is good enough, then yes, we can go towards the next step. Or if I say no, try again, we basically go towards the very beginning of this flow. Then choosing the topic again and see what kind of response that OpenAI gives us with the DaVinci 003 model. So if I think it's good enough, I'm going with an external request. So basically an API call to call the webhook of a third-party platform that has the integration to post tweets to Twitter. So in my case, I was experimenting with Pabbly, so Pabbly Connect. And here you will see that I will basically post the data towards a specific webhook. And inside the body, you will see that I only have the body context. I'm going to basically output the raw text as an output, and this can be received inside the webhook response by Pabbly. The last step here is basically the confirmation if the tweet was sent. Then I will get this message, and then I can send another tweet, go back towards the admin menu, or just leave things as is. Now, the fun part is when going towards Pabbly Connect, you will see that I have this webhook URL, which I just basically copy and pasted directly inside of this external request. So this API call towards Pabbly. And then from here, I'm going to have the response received, and this value can then be used in the next step. The next step will be to connect my Twitter account with Pabbly Connect and then create the tweet. So if I take a look here, I just have a simple tweet, nothing too special. You can also do create tweet with media if you want to. So that could be a next video or a next step, right? Where I'll also generate some AI images and add that towards a tweet as well. So that is something that I will experiment with later, but I just wanted to get this tweet system out. So I just have the create tweet. And then from here, the message will be the value that I get back from the webhook. And then this will be basically the entire step process. So let's preview this flow and let's see what we get back. So let's say preview and let's go towards Messenger for now. Here we'll see what topic would you like to send a tweet about. So let's say I'm going with business growth tips, right? Then it will take a few seconds to get a response back from OpenAI, and there you will see it. The following tweet was created, hashtag growth tip, strive to improve continually and always be willing to learn new skills to develop your business, hashtag business tips, hashtag business growth, hashtag entrepreneurship. So if I say no, try again, I basically get redirected back towards the question. And let's say instead of grabbing any of these pre-designed topics, let's also do something else. So let's say create a motivational quote. There we go. So let's see what I get back from OpenAI and its training models. So here we are. Be strong enough to stand alone, smart enough to know when you need help, and brave enough to ask for it. Hashtag motivational quote, hashtag life lessons, hashtag be brave. So if I say yes, send it. So let's do that. There we go. I am now getting the confirmation that the tweet has been sent. And if we take a look inside of Pabbly Connect, so if I take a look inside the history, so if we take a look inside, you would see that we received the tweet, right? Or received the data from the incoming webhook. And then we create the tweet and you can see the response from the Twitter app is shown below. And here we have it. Be strong enough to stand alone. So let's head over to Twitter and let's see if that tweet has been posted. So as you can see here, 1 minute ago, that sounds about right. Be strong enough to stand alone, smart enough to know when you need help, and be brave enough to ask for it. Hashtag, and then all those hashtags actually convert into the actual hashtags that people can search for. So you can see that this is a really great way to basically get more content out, more social media content. In this case, I was testing it with Twitter itself, but I'm also going to set up flows for my Facebook pages and maybe even Facebook groups, right? So if you like this video and you want to see more about the integrations between chatbots and OpenAI, GPT-3 and stuff like that, do leave a like down below because it will really help me out. And also let me know down in the video comments below what video you want to see the next time. So I will add it towards my list and I will try to record it as soon as possible for you. For now, have a great day, take care, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you really, really soon.